Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. Today we shall discuss the next problem using L'Hospital's rule. That is, evaluate limit as x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 minus x into log a whole divided by x square. So first we shall solve the equation. So solution for this, that is, first we shall write the given. So the given is limit as x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 minus x into log a whole divided by x square. So by observing we can see that this is of the form 0 by 0 form. So that is, now we shall apply the L'Hospital's rule. That is, using L'Hospital's rule, differentiating both numerator and denominator. So we have, so first we shall write the given as f of x equal to limit as x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 minus x into log a whole divided by x square. So our first step is to differentiate both numerator and denominator. So differentiation of f of x is nothing but f dash of x equal to, so that is differentiation of a to the power x. So differentiation, that is d by dx of a to the power x is nothing but a to the power of x into log a. So this is one of the standard formula. So differentiation of a to the power x is written as a to the power x into log a. Then differentiation of 1 is 0, that is minus 0 minus. So now we shall apply the u into v rule. That is, x into differentiation of log a is 0, then plus 1 into log a. So then whole divided by differentiation of x square is 2 into x. So therefore f dash of x is equal to a to the power x into log a, then minus x into 0 is 0 plus 1 into log a. So 1 into log a is nothing but log a, keeping minus sign as it is. So minus log a whole divided by 2 into x. So again we shall observe that again this is of the form 0 by 0 form. So our next step is again differentiating both numerator and denominator. So differentiation of f dash of x is nothing but f double dash of x equal to, so differentiation of a to the power x is nothing but a to the power of x into log a into keeping log a. So then keeping log a as it is, then minus differentiation of log a is nothing but 0, then whole divided by differentiation of 2 into x is nothing but 2. So therefore f dash of x equal to a to the power of x into, so log a into log a is nothing but log a whole square, then divided by 2. So therefore we have obtained this. Now we shall directly apply the limit, that is limit as x tends to 0. So that is limit as x tends to 0, a to the power of x into log a whole square divided by 2. That is, wherever there is x, just substitute it with 0. That is a raised to 0 into log a, keeping as it is log a whole square whole divided by 2. So a to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. So therefore it is 1 into log a whole square divided by 2. Therefore we can write it as 1 divided by 2 into log a whole square. So this is the required result for the example. Thank you friends. For more problems on L'Hospital's rule, go through our channel and please subscribe us.